Reverend Sister Listen Maria, Primary Head Sister Prakashita, dear teachers and students for your gracious presence and support. A special word of appreciation for talented performers who brought alive the relentless